Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and today we are going to design a football flyer. If your first time, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. And so let's go to the video. Again, for design everything in Photoshop, the first step we have to do is create a new document. We have many ways to do it. The first, we can go to File, to New. Or another way, you just Ctrl plus N. Okay, this is the place we customize the new document. We have recent, go to Photo, yes, Print, Art, Illustration, Web, Mobile, Film, something like that. This is the style that Photoshop have already. But if you want to make by your own, take a look for design. This is the preset detail. The top one is the title of document. You can put what you want. I put like that. For here, I choose centimeters. Width 21, height 27, orientation I choose portrait, this one, resolution 300 pixel inch, color mode I put RGB 8-bit. For background content I choose white, or you can choose another color. Okay, color profile sRGB, like that, pixel aspect ratio, sphere pixels, and create. This is our new document and we will design on it. Before design, I suggest save document first. For save, we can go File, choose Save As, and choose the place I want to save. After that, click Save. After Save As, next time we just click Save or Ctrl S to save. For next step, I want to add solid color. To add solid color, I click here and choose solid color. Color, I choose this one and OK. For next step, I want to add shape. For here and for here, I use ellipse tool, this one. For fill or stroke, we can customize it later. After that, I draw it. I want to change color of it. I just double click on here and you can choose the color. Okay, choose this one. I want to put it for here as well. I just Ctrl J to make copy and drag it up. Okay, I want to insert a picture. We can go to File, choose Place Embedded, and select the picture. Okay, but another way, an easy way, we just go to Folder, drop to Photoshop. Okay. And next step, I want to make this picture blur. I stand on it. For blur background or blur picture, we go to Filter, choose Blur, this one, and choose Gaussian Blur. I put 10 pixels and OK. I want to change color of the picture. The step we have to do is add hue and saturation. I stand on it. I click here and choose hue and saturation. Right click and create clipping mask to mask the hue saturation to the picture. After that, we click on colorize. And hue I put 360, saturation I put 70, lightness I put -13. Okay. And we Ctrl S to save. For next step, I want to mask logo to the shape. I go to folder and drag the picture. And scale it. Right click and create clipping mask. And for this logo, I put opacity only 3%. Okay. Next step, I want to insert picture. I go to folder and drop picture. I want to remove background. I click on it and select subject. This one. We need to customize it a little bit. I choose polygonal laser tool. Click Alt key to deselect. Okay. Around here. Okay, after that we mask two layers. We can mask here or here. Okay. I want to put this picture below the shape, so I drag it to below. Okay. And Ctrl T to transform. I go to View and choose Guard, New Guard Layout to put the guard on here. And check on Machine. For all of it, I put 70 pixels. Okay. I want to change color of this picture. The first, I add curve. I click here and choose curve. Right click and create clipping mask to mask curve to picture. For here, I choose RGB and click on here and drag it up and click here, drag it down. For this area is dark side and this area is light side. Okay. After that, I want to add color balance. I click here and choose color balance. Right click and create clipping mask. For cyan, I put -27. Magenta, I put 0. Yellow, I put 36. Okay. I click here, choose Hue Saturation. Right click, create clipping mask. Saturation, I put 46. Lightness, I put 12. Okay. After that, I add another picture. I go to folder and drop the picture. I remove background. I select subject. And mask layer. Okay, put here. I want to make color of the picture the same with this picture. The step we have to do: select off this layer, Ctrl J, and drag to above picture. Right click and create clipping mask. And now the color match to this picture. Next step, I want to add shadow to this picture. I add new layer and drag it down. I choose brush tool, this one. I choose soft round. I change brush to this one. Color, I put black. Opacity, I put 100. And click. Minus opacity a little bit. Okay, Ctrl J and drag up. Okay, I want to put team logo around here. I use rectangle tool and draw it. I want to change color. Double click on it and put this color. I mask rectangle and choose gradient tool. I change style. I choose this one. And drag it up like that. Okay. After that, I add team logo. I add logo around here one more. I go to folder and drop it. I want to add line around here. I add new layer and drag it down, and I choose brush tool. I choose soft round, opacity 100, and color I choose and click it, and I change blend mode to this one. Okay. After that, I want to add text around here. I use text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. Okay, I put like that. I want to add something more around here. Okay, I put like that. I go to view, I choose card and clear Canva card. Okay. To export this picture, go to File, choose Export, click Export As or Export As. I choose JPEG and choose the place and save. Okay, and now our flyer is finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. If you have a question, let me know in the comment. See you next video.